Recently, I discovered this amazing AI car crash channel. It is a 2D animated channel, and honestly, it is one of the most exciting niches I have ever seen. Every single video shows cars crashing in creative, dramatic, and sometimes even funny ways, and the visuals are so entertaining that you simply cannot stop watching. The surprising part is the views. Almost every video is going into the millions. This shows how powerful and addictive this content really is. Oh my god, I truly believe this type of niche is extremely viral, especially in countries like the USA and the UK, where people love simulation-style content and high-energy animations. What makes this niche so attractive is that it does not require you to show your face, speak on camera, or even own real cars. With just animations and smart editing, you can create engaging videos that reach millions of viewers. It is simple, entertaining, and full of potential for anyone starting on YouTube. Car crash animations are more than just fun to watch. They create suspense, excitement, and curiosity. Viewers always wonder, what will happen in the next crash? And that keeps them hooked until the very end of the video. This is the secret behind why these channels grow so fast and why the audience keeps coming back again and again. In my opinion, this niche could be a game changer for new creators. If you are looking for something fresh, viral, and high demand, then animated car crash videos might be one of. Now let me tell you something really amazing. Whenever I come into ChatGPT, I don't waste time writing long, difficult, or confusing prompts. I always keep things simple, clear, and straight to the point. Believe me, I don't need to be a professional writer or a technical expert. ChatGPT understands even the most basic request. For example, when I'm working in the car crash niche, all I do is type something like, I want to create a realistic car crash video. Please give me 10 prompts. Make sure in every part of the video, a car crash scene is included. That's it. No complicated details, no advanced instructions, just a short and simple request. And here's the exciting part. The moment I press enter, the screen literally explodes with results. Boom! ChatGPT instantly delivers an incredible set of prompts. Each one feels unique, creative, and so realistic that it's hard to believe I wrote only a few words. Every single scene looks like a proper car crash moment, full of action and impact, exactly the way I imagined it. This is the true magic of ChatGPT. It doesn't matter if your prompt is short or long. It takes your idea and turns it into something professional and powerful. I get detailed prompts for every single car crash scene, and it always feels like I have a personal assistant who understands my niche better than anyone else. What's even better is the time-saving factor. Instead of spending hours thinking and struggling to write creative prompts, I can simply type a few easy words, and within seconds, I have a full set of ready-to-use ideas. That's not only efficient, but it also keeps me motivated to create more content. Now it's time to create the boom. Yes, it's time to create AI images, and this part is super important. For all my AI image needs, I always rely on Pixelman AI. Why? Because it's simple, powerful, and delivers results that look absolutely mind-blowing. Here's the best part. The moment you log into Pixelman AI, it gives you 10 free credits every single day. That means you can generate 10 high-quality images for free every day without paying a single dollar. Isn't that amazing? Man, it's like having a professional design studio in your pocket, available 24/7. And let me tell you, it's not complicated at all. You don't need to be a pro, you don't need to learn special skills, and you definitely don't need to waste hours. Just paste your prompt, select your size and settings, and boom! The image is ready in seconds. Now here comes the real magic. No watermark, no quality drop, and no hidden tricks. The images are always crystal clear, ultra sharp, and full HD. Every time I use it, I'm shocked by how professional the results look. It's like magic unfolding right in front of my eyes. I've tested it many times, and guess what? The quality never changes. It's always the same top-level, realistic, and animated style with no compromise at all. Whether you're making images for videos, thumbnails, or creative projects, Pixelman delivers consistency every single time. That's why I keep saying it's amazing. You don't just get random AI pictures, you get images that look so realistic and polished that they can easily be used in professional animated videos. Imagine turning simple words into stunning visuals without paying extra money or spending hours editing. That's the power of Pixelman AI. So whenever I think about AI images, only one word comes to my mind. Boom! Fast, easy, free, and unbelievably high quality. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to any other tool. Now come into Google and search for Digen.ai. Open the very first website you see. Once you're there, just log in with your Gmail ID. It's super quick. And if you don't want to use your main Gmail, no problem at all. You can even use a temporary email to log in. Here's the exciting part. Digen.ai instantly gives you free credits the moment you sign up. And trust me, these free credits are more than enough to create 10 plus videos in a single day. I tested it myself, and yes, I can confirm it works. The process is so simple. No complicated steps, no need to write any special prompt. Just click on Create, upload your picture, select the video duration, and that's it. For example, when I made a quick 5-second video, it only cost 30 credits. So if Digen gives you 400 free credits, that means you can easily generate more than 10 full videos every single day. And the best trick? If you run out of credits, you can just make another account with a new email and boom, another 400 credits ready for you. The generation speed is also amazing. It only takes a few minutes and then boom, your animated video is ready. The quality is very nice, clear, and looks amazing. Yes, there's a small watermark, but don't worry. I'll show you later how to remove that watermark easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end. After I downloaded the video and checked the quality myself, I was honestly surprised. It looked smooth, professional, and ready to use. For free credits, this tool is a total gem. Fast, simple, and powerful. That's Digen.ai for you. Now once again, I come into Google and this time I search for Pixabay car crash sound. Then I click on the official Pixabay website. And let me tell you, this site is absolutely amazing because it's totally free copyright music. That means you can use it safely for YouTube without worrying about strikes, copyright issues, or demonetization. On Pixabay, you'll find many different car crash sounds, short crashes, big crashes, metallic hits, and powerful impact effects. You can listen, check, and then download whichever sound fits your video perfectly. And the best part? It's all 100% free to use. So why do I keep saying boom again and again? Ha ha ha. Because every step I'm showing you is completely free. No need to spend any money. No need to buy expensive sound packs. With these free tools, you can easily create high-quality animated videos with realistic effects. It's very simple, man. Just a few clicks and you're done. Done. Yes, completely done. Free sound, free effects, free everything. Combine it with your AI-generated videos and bam! You've got an amazing final video that looks and sounds professional. Trust me, when you add these car crash sounds from Pixabay, your video will instantly feel more realistic, powerful, and engaging. Audio makes a huge difference, and with Pixabay, you get studio-quality effects without spending a single dollar. Now come into Filmora and bring all your videos and sounds into the timeline. Yes, drag everything, your AI video, crash sounds, and background audio into one place. Now time to fulfill the promise. Just select your video, zoom in the scale a little bit, and boom, the watermark is gone. Your video is now clean, clear, and ready. After that, you can do some simple editing, add effects for extra style, use transitions for smooth cuts, add titles or text for intro and outro, adjust audio and background music for more impact. That's it, easy and powerful. In just a few minutes, your video looks professional and ready for YouTube. Thank you for watching my video.